Hey St. Jude runners, you know what time it is. It's time for another unbagging. This time, I got this in the mail today. Let's check it out right after this. Thanks for joining me once again here on the StJudeRnr channel. Today, I got this wonderful package in the mail. As you may or may not know, this year the St. Jude Memphis Marathon weekend is all virtual thanks to that wonderful thing going around. And so I signed up for their 4-race series, similar to the Dopey series at Disney World that I've ran in the past, but this time it's all virtual and I'm doing it all here around where I live. So today I got this package in the mail from St. Jude. It's quite hefty, so I wanted to unbag this while I was looking at it for the first time with you. So here goes nothing. It's a nice heavy bag. Let's see if I can open it on the side that was sealed or closed. Alright, so inside is this really nice long sleeve St. Jude Memphis Marathon weekend shirt with the mileages on it in different colors. It is long sleeve, it has these really cool like racing stripes down the side. It's a nice texture material. I got mine in an extra large or a 2XL because I'm a bigger guy. It has all the sponsors on the back as well as the St. Jude logo. And it's very light. You can probably see through it pretty well, and that should be a nice shirt for winter. Maybe I'll wear that after I finish the marathon, which I need to do. Also, inside the bag is this. Save the date for the 20th anniversary of the St. Jude Memphis Marathon weekend, December 4th, 2021. And then on the other side, it says thank you for participating in the 2020 St. Jude Memphis Marathon Weekend virtual experience. Take photos of your race week and share them on social media using hashtag St. Jude Heroes and hashtag Run for St. Jude. We can't wait to see your race experiences. There's that. All right, now digging into the even more fun stuff. This is why it was so heavy. So I'm gonna get these all kind of in order by what I've ran so far. So let's start with this one. They're each little bags, and in this bag is the 5K medal. It's nice and shiny. It's got the glitter, which I am impartial to glitter, and it's pretty heavy on the back side. It has the St. Jude logo and a spot where you could put one of those timing chips to let you know what your time was for that race. On the metal ribbon, it says finisher. And then on the other side, it has St. Jude Memphis Marathon Weekend, and it has the Juice Plus sponsorship on that one. So that's the 5K medal. Let's go to the next one. You can see where this is going. Next, we have the 10K medal. I like the color on this one. It's really, really nice. It has the glitter on the front side, on the back. It also says the 10K, and it has that same spot for the medal, the timing medal. This one has finisher on it, and it's also the Juice Plus 2020. And we go to the bigger one. This is the last one that I've finished so far. I still got the next one to earn. So I can wear these other ones, but I can't wear the next one after this. This one's the half marathon, 13.1. And then flip it over. I like the color on this one too. It's kind of like a baby blue, I think. And it's got that same kind of ribbon with the finisher on it. And then last but not least is the one I've still got to do. I'm planning on doing this on December the 5th, pending what the weather is. So I've got some miles to put in still. And this one is, of course, red. And this is the big boy, the St. Jude Memphis Marathon 26.2 finisher medal. It's the same thing on the back. And then the ribbon has the red finisher on it and the Juice Plus logo on it. And then on the other side, it's just the Memphis Marathon weekend logo. So that is all of them. No, it's not. There's one more. And this one is, if you completed all 4 of the races, you get this 4-race challenge, which is really cool. I like that it's a mix of colors. It picks up each of the colors. The red for the R from the marathon, the blue from the half marathon, the I think other blue from the C, and then the gold for the E. So it picks up all 4 of those in the 4-race challenge. That's really cool. It doesn't have the timing chip area on the back, but it does have the St. Jude logo. And here is the size difference. So all of these, the 5K and the 10K are the same size. The half marathon and marathon difference is right there. And there's the 10K. Let me see if I can get the 10K in there. So the 10K gets a little bit bigger. And then let me line all these up. And then the 4-race challenge size difference. Oh, this is going to be heavy for my hand to hold. Is that. So it's quite a bit of difference, but it's really cool. These are going to go on my St. Jude running wall with all my medals that I have earned for running for St. Jude, which is quite a bit now. I appreciate everybody that has donated to my St. Jude fundraiser over time. We've raised about probably $18,000 for St. Jude since 2014 when I started fundraising for St. Jude. So thank you for everybody that has donated. I will put a link in the description below if you'd like to donate some money at this time to such a wonderful cause. They're doing some great things to help children and families at St. Jude so that they can receive the treatment that they need, and it doesn't cost the families anything, and they take care of them the entire way, from schooling to a place to live while they're there getting treatment to follow-up care throughout their life. So take a couple seconds, follow that link, donate $5 or $10 or whatever. Every little bit helps, and every little bit will bring just a little bit more light into the life of those families, and especially those children. So thanks again for joining me on the StJudeRnr channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and click the button to subscribe so you can check out some of my other reviews and my other unboxings or unbaggings of St. Jude stuff that they send you when you run as a St. Jude hero. So thanks very much for joining me. Go out and get your miles in, and have a wonderful day.